Hi guys, here 75 divided by 15 times this is 5. Here 75 divided by this is 75. Now 75 divided by 75 is 1. This answer is wrong answer as per the order of operations. Now we are going to introduce that PEMDAS rule from order of operations. Here this is a bracket, this is multiplication, M stands for, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtractions. Here this multiplication divisions are equal priority, addition subtractions are equal priority. We are going to follow that another rule, that left to right for this equal priority actions. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per the PEMDAS, this bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this before any other action. So 75 divided by 15 times this is 5. Now we have division and multiplication. Both are equal priority. For this, we have to follow this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 75 divided by 15, which is 5 times this 5. Now 5 times 5 is 25 is the correct answer here.